Hey guys, welcome back. Got a little bit different video again. Did a little bit of road tripping. And what you see here I think is a highly recognizable little car. That the car is in pretty decent condition. It came from Midways in Illinois. You can tell there's rust underneath it, but not bad at all. Been garage kept. Let me get the camera off here. Kind of walk around a little bit. Give short history on the car. Body is good and straight. The hood was good and straight till I dropped the son of a... Never mind, I almost cursed. I dropped the hood a while ago, messed it up, so got to fix it, but not a big deal. I can do it. But anyway, car is in real good shape. Everything works on it. Now it's got a little bit of cosmetics going on. This is a 5-speed. And as you guessed by now, that's an Eclipse Spider GTS. Little hot rod car. I guess we all know it from the Fast and the Furious. But anyway, I didn't actually mess up the customer's hood. I messed up my hood. It's supposed to be a little work car. But it got hot. To give you a little bit of story on it, it got hot. I didn't spend a lot of time the other day, yesterday, diagnosing on it, because immediately we had to put a radiator in it. It smoked the radiator, and you see how hot it got, all the white stuff over there. But anyway, the guy claims they had just done a tune-up and a timing belt and all that good stuff. But anyway, long story short, I put a radiator in it, put the water in it, straight water, just to test it out, and right away it started blowing the water out of the radiator. Quick diagnostic. The reason I say quick diagnostic, I'm going to make a couple of videos here, and I'm going to start off by doing a radiator removal. What is going to happen here ultimately is that I've got a donor engine for it. I'm not even going to tear it apart. Not going to send it off, have it fixed. Engine's coming out. A replacement's going in. Going to swap over some parts, see what's good, what's bad. New engine's supposed to have 82,000 miles on it, so hopefully that is the case. Hopefully it's in pretty good condition. Of course, it's got a massive oil leak. Wouldn't have it any other way. But anyway, without further ado, let me show you real quick how to get the radiator out of these cars. It takes about 10 minutes, 15 minutes to do it. So here we go, guys. Like I said, I'm going to split this up into a couple of different videos. You got 1, 2. Let me turn the screen back around so I can see. Right there. 1, 2, 3. 10 millimeter headed bolts. 10 millimeter on your clamp back there for the intake. Got a little hose right here. Of course, sorry, remove the battery, not a big deal. Unplug mass airflow. Unclip the mass airflow. Trying to do it real time. Pull back. There is 2 Phillips head retention clips. It's this style right here. They got a Phillips head. You turn them, they pull right out. That's a lot faster than that. lay it off to the side. Going to disassemble everything later on because of the mass airflow. We're going to clean all that. We're going to do the whole 9 yards. Not going to film everything due to me not having a whole lot of time. I got to get this job done. Over here, we want to unplug and get you a shot in here. The fan motor control. The plug underneath it is the other side, the fan on the other side. You leave it in. Keep in mind, all this takes a lot longer trying to film. Another retainer clip over here on the wire. Tuck the wire off to the side. I'll make a little bit of mess because it does have coolant in it, or a water coolant mixture. Undo your clamp. Alright, so we undid the clamp. I'm going to go ahead and put my radiator cap on so I don't lose the damn thing. Like I said, this is a new radiator. I put it in yesterday. We actually got a regular screw clamp on that side. Get it undone. Thermostat is right underneath this cap where I'm taking the hose off right now. Did put a new thermostat in it because guy that I got it from, he told me that it had a thermostat stick closed, and that's actually not the case. It had a fail open thermostat, and guys, here you go. There's your radiator. That's how quick that was. I bet we can do that in 5 minutes. Yes, I'm not 100% for sure about the fan control on this thing. Because, and the reason I'm saying that, because I never did hear the fans running. So, if you guys want to remove the thermostat, let me get you in here. We call it Radiator and Thermostat. So, underneath this wire loom, there is 3 12mm headed bolts. You pop, well, boo-hoo. There's one. Two. I'll get that battery tray real quick. Battery tray and wire loom. I'll do it real quick, guys. Makes it a little bit easier actually, so. $10mm on the wire loom here. If you want to get it out of the way, It's 12 millimeter heads on the battery tray. There is 2 for the wire loom. There is 4 for the battery tray. Missed one over here on the side. There's your battery tray. Move it out of the way. It's easier. Ooh, whoa, where are you going? Easier to get to the bolt. Anyway, you remove the battery tray. So one more bolt here in the back. So, gonna go ahead and call this a radiator and thermostat change or removal or whatever, replacement thermostat right there, guys. Done deal. Takes no time. You know, these cars are, for the most part, really easy work on. Only got a frame on the bottom of it. You drop that frame out, drop that whole engine out. It can come out of the top. Like I said, it's no big deal to do these things. I'm just not exactly 100% for sure that I'm going to go ahead and film the whole entire swap. I want to get, I got a lot of work to do. Like I said, I want to flush the brake hoses. I want to get the slave cylinder here. I want to get a DOT5 fluid put in that. Yes, I did say DOT5. That's also what's going into the brakes. It's just a better full synthetic fluid. So we'll get that in there. And anyway, I'm gonna close the video on that one right there, because I'm gonna have to do some looking around, and I don't want to bore you all with that. I'm gonna have to do some looking around and see what I'm gonna take off, what I'm not gonna take off. You know, some of it's got to be swapped. If I'm swapping it now, later, or take it off later, put it on the other one later on, I don't know yet. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you next time.